Today, we are going to show how you can access your FundedNext free competition account credentials. This is going to be a very quick tutorial, so stick until the end. And if you want to know what are the prizes for the winners, watch this video to know more. But before that, try out the FundedNext trading environment for free. Sign up for our unlimited free trial account and test out the FundedNext environment for yourself. Perfect, let's start. Step 1, go to the competition tab on your FundedNext dashboard. Step 2, navigate to the profile section. Step 3, your competition dashboard is now right in front of you, displaying all the information, including your account credentials. Step 4, to see your trading platform password, simply hit the view button. Step 5, an email containing your password will be sent to you on your registered email address. Make sure to check your inbox. With all this done, you'll be ready to access your FundedNext competition accounts and start trading it as soon as the competition starts. Thanks for joining us in this tutorial. If this guide has helped you, leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos and updates. Should you encounter any problems or need further assistance, just drop us a comment below. Thanks again for watching and happy trading.